At ARTEX, we're focused on three critical service delivery factors. First is best practices environmental handling. The second is best practices secure data and device destruction. And the third is best practices customer service. On the environmental side, we guarantee that nothing will ever end up in a landfill or in a third world country. That's our corporate commitment.
As part of our best practices in environmental handling, our commitment to our customers is to send zero e-waste to landfill. The objective of most e-waste recycling organizations is to track the amount of material that leaves their facility to be recycled. We go a step beyond that. We work closely with our downstreams to track exactly how much material they're able to recycle of what we've sent them and incorporate that back into a total overall diversion score for our facility.
All the base elements are returned back to the manufacturing cycle to become the next electronic device possibly, but the device itself is never going to show up in a landfill or a third world country. Somehow the toxicity involved in electronic waste has, for some reason, become okay to export to developing countries. Men and women are being subjected to highly toxic material all day long. Unfortunately, this industry is, a lot of the workers are children. They've tested children that are 7, 8 out of 10 children are lead or mercury toxic. It's just wrong.
Secure destruction is our promise at ARTEX. To accomplish that, we have a very secure facility with perimeter fencing, closed circuit television, complete access control, biometric scanning, metal detection. Every employee is background checked for RCMP criminal background check and further reference and credit checks for persons of trust that can access the facility. So we make sure that there is no risk that any device that enters our facility can leave before it is securely destroyed.
On the data security side, nothing is ever resold as a device or a component from ARTEX. We take obsolete assets in the door, we destroy them. We deal with major corporations that have their corporate reputation at risk. The fingerprint of a device, in this case the serial number, can be traced back to the original owner for the rest of time until that device is destroyed. If your data gets into the marketplace, into the wrong hands, if a serial number exposes you for having dumped something in the wrong place, your corporate image that you've worked on for decades or centuries can take a major hit. So the kind of customer service that we are focused on delivering is ensuring that everything we do for our customer mitigates 100% of the risk associated with how they handle their obsolete assets. Unlike most of our competitors that have a scrap metal background, we come out of the IT industry and out of the environmental technologies industry. E-waste, after all, is the combination of those two things. It was information technology yesterday, and today it's an environmental problem with secure data on it that needs to be handled. I think that's why our customers find us to be best in breed.
We're constantly looking for the best solution, and we are diligent to make sure that there's operational excellence, that we do what we say we're doing.
The team here is fabulous. I mean, the way that we work together, there's a synergy between everybody. There's no job that's too great or too little for anyone on the team to make sure that we're delivering on the promises that we have.
ARTEX is completely green, from what we do on the floor to what we do in our office as well. We recycle, we compost, and the dust is recycled in the plant. It's a very green, very earth-friendly company.